Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make goat meat, ground meats with plantain sauce. You can eat with anything you want. First step is to add oil in your pan. I'm using olive oil. Then you're gonna add some chopped onions. Okay, fry the onions till it's a little bit translucent, and then you're gonna add your grounded goat meat. I found this goat meat at Sprout. And this is my first time trying this. Same way you cook your ground beef, you're gonna cook the goat meat like that. So you chop up the meats, you brown it till you mix it till the meat is brown, and then you can add any spices you want to this meat. Okay, but for me, I'm gonna be adding some salt, some chicken bouillon, some onion powder, garlic powder, okay, some curry powder, some thyme. All right, so that's onion powder right there, and then I'm adding thyme. Okay, and I'm gonna be adding some smoked paprika powder to give us some spice, and then you add chicken bouillon to that mixture. Okay, this recipe is very easy. I will also be adding some salt. Okay, then once I've added all of my spices, I'm gonna mix everything till everything is cooked and brown. Then I'll be adding some pepper. This is a pepper mixture that I made and stored in the freezer, and I'm getting to use it now. So just add that there. And then mix. You can add any pepper mixture you want, or you can use a spaghetti sauce if you have one at home. So mix the pepper mixture with the ground goat meat. Mix well, and then after you do that, you can add your peppers. Okay, I'm adding my pepper mix with which is red pepper, yellow pepper, and orange bell pepper. So mix that well till make sure it's fried a little bit, and then you add your fried plantain. This is a plantain I've air fried in the air fryer for a few minutes, and I just mix everything together. Very simple recipe that you can try at home and eat with rice, with anything that you would like. You can even eat it like that. Very delicious recipe. If you like this kind of recipe, please like, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye.